shadows pull me down. How can I find the light with darkness all around? Will anything ever take me back up? How can I overcome? I've been pushed too far. I don't think I know who you really are. And even though I'm in this dream, it's as if I can't hear myself speak. Even in my Sometimes I wake up in the night with your ghost outside my door. But now my heart is giving up, it doesn't hope anymore. My thoughts, they torture me like a criminal's mind, while my friends say I feel better if I give myself some time.